The outputlookup command is one of the most powerful data management tools in Splunk search processing language. This command allows you to write search results directly to lookup tables, enabling efficient data sharing and reuse across your Splunk environment. Whether you're working with CSV files or KV store collections, outputlookup provides a seamless way to save your search results for future analysis. The primary purpose of this command is to store process data that can be accessed by other searches, reports, and dashboards, making it an essential tool for collaborative data analysis and maintaining consistent reference data. The fundamental syntax of the outputlookup command follows a simple pipe structure. You start with your search query, then pipe the results to the outputlookup command followed by the file name. This basic pattern allows you to take any search results and immediately save them to either a CSV file or a KV store collection. The command seamlessly integrates into your search pipeline, making it easy to incorporate data-saving operations into complex search queries. Understanding this basic syntax is crucial because it forms the foundation for all advanced outputlookup operations you'll perform in Splunk. When working with CSV files, the outputlookup command offers flexible options for data management. The basic CSV output operation creates or completely overwrites an existing CSV file in the lookups directory. This is useful when you want to replace outdated information with fresh data. However, when you need to add new records to existing data, you can use the append equals true parameter. This append functionality is particularly valuable for maintaining historical logs or continuously updating datasets. The CSV format provides excellent compatibility with external systems and makes data sharing across different platforms straightforward. KV store collections offer more advanced data storage capabilities compared to CSV files. When writing to a KV store collection, the outputlookup command works with collections that are defined in your transforms.sonf configuration. The basic KV store output operation allows you to save structured data with better performance characteristics. The append equals true parameter in KV store context works differently than with CSV files. It updates existing records that have matching _key field values, rather than simply adding new rows. This update mechanism makes KV stores ideal for maintaining dynamic datasets where records need to be modified, rather than just accumulated. Real-world applications of outputlookup demonstrate its versatility in security and operational use cases. For instance, you can aggregate failed login attempts by user and source IP address, then save this security intelligence to a CSV file for ongoing threat analysis. Another common scenario involves tracking user activity by capturing the latest timestamp for each user and storing this information in a KV store collection. These practical examples show how outputlookup bridges the gap between search time analysis and persistent data storage, enabling you to build comprehensive monitoring and reporting systems. Advanced outputlookup operations often involve combining multiple data sources and applying data quality techniques. You can merge existing lookup data with new imports by using input lookup to read current data, appending new records, removing duplicates, and then saving the clean dataset back to the lookup table. Another powerful pattern involves using the table command to select only specific fields before outputting, which helps control file size and ensures data privacy by excluding sensitive information. These advanced techniques demonstrate how outputlookup can be part of sophisticated data pipeline operations. Optimizing outputlookup performance requires attention to several key factors. Using the create_backup equals false parameter can significantly improve performance by avoiding unnecessary backup file creation during write operations. Regular monitoring of KV store collection sizes helps prevent performance degradation as data volumes grow. Implementing retention policies ensures automatic cleanup of outdated records, maintaining optimal system performance. Additionally, limiting output fields to only necessary data reduces file sizes and improves both write and read performance. Being aware of common issues like permission errors with CSV file access and KV store size limits helps you proactively address potential problems. The outputlookup command serves as a cornerstone for efficient data management in Splunk environments. Its ability to save search results to both CSV files and KV store collections provides flexibility for different use cases and performance requirements. The append functionality enables incremental data updates, while proper field selection optimizes storage efficiency. Understanding performance considerations ensures your lookup operations scale effectively with growing data volumes. By mastering outputlookup, you enable seamless data sharing across teams and searches, creating a more collaborative and efficient analytics environment. This command transforms temporary search results into persistent, reusable data assets that enhance your overall Splunk implementation. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.